everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on our Gator Metal Roofing YouTube channel. We are the #1 metal roofing company servicing the Carolinas. And today we are here in Rocky Mount, North Carolina with William. William, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Of course, and first off, I want to say thank you for your service. How long have you lived in this house for?
Since 1974.
And is it right, you told me you helped make your house, right?
Right.
Did you know back then that this was going to be your forever home?
Yep.
Yeah.
And my mother and daddy lived straight up the road there, and they sold me the lot. And so I wanted to be close to them till they died. And I was fortunate enough to do it.
I love that. And that was back, you said, in the 70s, right? He's 92, everyone. So you are going to hit 3 digits soon. How, like, thinking back from the 70s, did you think you'd still be here today?
No, I thought it'd be dead. Yeah, I feel better than I've felt in years. I'm planning on making it to 100.
So when did you know that you wanted to upgrade your roof outside?
When it started leaking.
Okay. Do you
I
remember?
had a few leaks, and once it started leaking, I knew I had to upgrade it.
So you had a couple leaks in your home?
Yep. And I saw the advertisement on television, and I called Gator, and I called a couple other places, and y'all were the best deal.
We love that. And you said the person you worked with was, you know, really friendly, really welcoming, really ready to meet you where you were at, budget-wise.
I think his name is Eddie, and he did a great job, and it was a pleasure meeting.
We love that. Were you considering upgrading your roof before you saw the commercial, or?
Oh yeah, I was. And then I just happened to see the commercial on television, and I figured, well, let me give him a call.
Why not? And how long ago was that you got a roof installed?
September or October, one or the other.
Yeah, not too long.
No, it hadn't been long,
Yeah.
but I'm tickled to death with it.
And do you remember from giving us a call for the first time, having the team come out do an inspection, from installation, how long it took overall from beginning to end?
From beginning to end. It took a right good while because I did some things wrong on the financing part.
Got it. Okay.
And they had to go through that, so it took a couple months.
Okay.
Which wasn't bad.
I know the financing can kind of be tricky sometimes, but you guys were able to figure
we figured it out, come to a good conclusion, and I was told to go ahead and do it.
Awesome. And overall, you've been happy ever since?
I've been tickled to death with it. As a matter of fact, we were right into the road, and every time I come in the yard, I like my little red roof.
Yeah, it is a little red roof. Yeah, it's a storybook house right there on the corner. It's beautiful. Was the lifetime warranty something that, you know, helped kind of sell the deal on upgrading?
Well, I did a little upgrading. I put new windows in, then I put the roof on. The house is so much tighter than what it used to be. It used to be my light bill and heat bill was about $500 a month.
Oh, wow.
It hadn't been over $300 a month since I've done that.
Good, good. Do you wish you maybe would have upgraded to a metal roof sooner, or do you think you got it at the perfect time?
I think I got it about at the right time because I hadn't been that long. I've been about 20 years since I put the roof on.
The shingles before?
Before, and they were just starting to crumble a little bit.
And now you have that peace of mind when we have our crazy North Carolina storms. It's a hassle going up on your roof or fixing the shingles after every hurricane that comes through, and you just don't got to worry about that anymore.
I'm trying to put good words in for you.
Well, you're doing a fantastic job. I saw the yard sign, and that's a huge thing right there. And again, just doing this is so helpful to future homeowners as well. Do you have any advice for any future homeowners who may watch this and maybe they're contemplating on whether they want to upgrade or not? What would you tell them?
Shop around and go to Gator Metal Roof.
You heard it right here from William. Awesome. Anything else you'd like to share about your roof?
Well, I love the color. I love the way it looks. I think y'all did a fantastic job, and the people y'all sent in here were strictly professionals. I thought it was going to take a long time to do it. One day, it was up there, did a beautiful job, and I was totally satisfied. And they didn't leave until I was satisfied. And once they left, you couldn't really tell they'd been here except for the roof.
Well, William, it was fantastic meeting you. Y'all make sure you like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below. But again, listen to William, do your research, but ultimately give us a call. Make sure you subscribe, and we will see you here next time. Bye.